Uh, just give me 5 minutes, and then I will hand it over to Sachin San, who will be taking over the proceedings of this particular evening in getting the medals, awards, and everything. Uh, First of all, let me thank each one of you from the bottom of my heart for giving such an entertaining day for everyone. I would say that the standard of the play has gone up because I have been seeing the seasons every year for the past 6 years. This is the sixth year now. And most of the areas you people have definitely uh, tuned up, and you have actually made it a strong point of yours. Yes, I would say that batting has gone up a notch. Bowling for some team has gone up a notch. But fielding still is lot desirable because I could see a lot of potholes in the fielding. So मुंबई में खड्डे होने दीजिए, यहाँ पर क्यों खड्डे बना रहे हो आप? So improve your fielding next year whenever you do your training sessions or your practice sessions and everything. Focus on your fielding. And girls, don't always give the focus to Sujata. You also should actually do something differently. Because every time when Sujata comes बोलता है 2 बॉल में ख़त्म कर देगी ये. आप लोग ऐसा रन बनाते हैं. वो बॉलिंग करने को आती है तो बोलता है कि नहीं 2 बॉल में ख़त्म कर देगी ये. तो everything is actually within 2. Though she stands at the back, but always takes the limelight in the front. So anyway, well done. Most of you have actually played very well. There has been excellent batting display, bowling display, like Sandeep or maybe Ganesh or at times even Mr. Aniket. Skoda overall sales played very well, and they were the one who actually upped the antenna in terms of the enthusiasm of the people by shouting and doing everything. So, and then that rubbed off on everyone. Even Tata Sales came up and started shouting for their team. So this is what we want. We want each one of you to enjoy the competitive spirit, and at the same time make this as a bonding activity, and also consider this as a picnic. So all said and done, what happens? You come in the morning, you are there with your colleagues, you enjoy, you eat, and then you do whatever crazy things you want, and then end of the day, everyone, there is no losers, very clearly, because each one of you fought for that particular match and you wanted to win. So that spirit was there, I could see, and you can see that right from 7 o'clock in the morning till now, I have been sitting at one place only. So how much I enjoyed each match, and it was seriously I enjoyed each match. So it was very good. Thank you so much once again for giving this kind of a day for everyone. And we are growing day in and day out. We are growing. I don't know how many teams are going to get added next year. That only our owner Pawan San can say this. I am not the right authority to say, but then possibly there can be some other additions also. So slowly when we are going, I think we will start creating a parallel IPL for ourselves also, creating this particular tournament for 2-3 days. So let's see it. Hopefully, congratulations to each one of you, because each one of you is a winner, and best wishes, and you will have definitely all the acknowledgement and recognition which will come in today. And I hand over this particular mic to Sachin San, and he will take over the proceedings of this particular evening. All the best.
So yeah, hi, good evening all. Had fun? Even me, I enjoyed it very much. So I believe many of us are new here. So I would like to have a short brief about how this event started. This event started with the vision of our leadership from the top management, our managing director, Mr. Pavan, our director, Mr. Sainath, some years back, with few teams and with few teams with 2 brands, Honda and MG. And suppose the same criterias would have been followed today, we would have had 22 teams. We have grown so much. So congratulations to each one of you for being with us and to be a part of this beautiful event, which we were able to conclude in a day by having 12 teams, 2 teams per brand. This is how we were able to shorten the event in 2 days of time. And thanks to the entire team to have this beautiful event enjoyed throughout the day. So thank you all. So I would now shift to,
Hello.
to vote of thanks, and firstly I would like to thank hello. Firstly, I would like to thank our managing director, Mr. Pavan El Sanghani, and his family, our director, Mr. Sainath San, under whose leadership this entire event of team cohesion and increasing the team bonding was successfully laid down, and it is growing every year. So thank you, sir. Our HR and admin teams, because of whose efforts we were able to conclude this entire event in today, and whose efforts didn't go unnoticed today. Special mention to Ms. Farheen. Her exceptional coordination made this event a grand success. So thank you, Ms. Farheen. The entire marketing team, thank you, under the leadership of Mr. Ziaul, for the overall arrangements of the entire event, the beautiful conveniences, the food that we had. So all were arranged by the entire marketing team. So thank you, marketing team. Mr. Aniket, thank you for having this event going on smooth for the entire day. Miss Neha needs to have a special mention here because she was the one who arranged sponsorships for our event. One very important thing, the trophies and the medals. These were arranged by none other than Mr. Sitesh, Mr. Praveen, and Mr. Nitin. Thank you. Thank you all. The beautiful jerseys that we are wearing, the pride of the day, were arranged by Mr. Jayendra. So next I would like to give a vote of thanks to Mr. Parth and the Fatima Trust for providing us this beautiful venue and this beautiful ground in which we had the entire event. We enjoyed. Mr. Vignesh played a very important role. He was the guy who did our YouTube live. So apart from the people present here, the people who were working in the showrooms also were with us and enjoyed the event through digitally. So thank you, Mr. Vignesh. All events needs to have some music. So special thanks to DJ Mekal for having the energy high throughout the event. A very special thanks to our commentators, Mr. Anand Shrestha, Mr. Shubham, and Mr. Prashant, for their encouraging and professional commentary throughout the series. The scorers and umpires played a very important role to be fair and to maintain accurate records. So thank you to the scorers and the umpires. We were served with delicious food, and this was possible because of Mr. Anand from Village Hospitality. So thank you, Mr. Anand. Last but not the least, the entire photography, the entire video was done by Mr. Aditya and the Mango Media team. So thank you, Mr. Aditya. Once again, I would like to thank each and every participant who was with us, who was along with us through digitally, for the participation and keeping the sportsman spirit high for this entire event. So thank you all. So now we would like to call each and every team for medal ceremony. So my request is that only the playing 13 team please come along the stage for the medals.
So I'll announce the team names. So in that sequence, you guys have to come on the stage.
Yeah.
So the first team, Honda Sales.
Please
Honda
come from
Sales.
this side. Honda Sales. We request Umendra San to please come up for middling.
Guys, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Come.
So other guys, kindly clap for this guys also यार, वो लोग ने भी अच्छा खेला है, तुम्हारे लिए भी तालियां बजेगी. तो तालियां तो हर किसी के लिए बनती है यहाँ पे. So congratulations guys. Next team, Honda Service. Only playing 13 are
Imran sir.
allowed to take the
Imran San,
medals.
request you to please come up. Datta San.
Next team, MG Sales. Just be down only, just be down. Just hold. Mr. Srinivasan Iyer. Sorry, Mudliar.
Thank you, Umendra San. Imran San, please. Come in, please. Zia.
Next team, MG Service. Guys, I guess तालियां बजाने के लिए टैक्सेस नहीं लगते, तो प्लीज यार थोड़ी सी तालियां बजा दीजिए. Next team, Skoda Sales. So I'll request Sachin sir, please give medals to a team. Skoda Sales. Only playing 13. I'm repeating again, only playing 13s are allowed to take in medals. अरे तालियां. Skoda Service.
Imran San, please.
Guys, jaldi. So next in line team is Toyota Sales and then Toyota Service. So guys, be ready. फटाफट, क्योंकि हम लोग को यार मेन ट्रॉफीज भी तो देनी है. Toyota Sales, kindly line up over here near the stage. Toyota Sales. Umendra sir, we request you to please hand over the medals to Toyota Sales team. Next team would be Toyota Service, so I request Faiz sir to please hand over the medals to the team.
MG service. हा कुठल्या याच्यात आहे? स्कोडा सेल्स. अच्छा हे तुझं नाव आहे MG सर्विस. उलटं करा ना, पहिले वुमेन्स करून नंतर मॅच.
Guys, we requested for only 13 playing players on the stage. We have noticed that few additional players are also joining to take in medals. So captain is in request.
Hello. Guys,
Next
please ensure that only playing 13 team is on the stage for the medals.
Next team, Tata Sales. Kindly line up immediately. Tata Sales. उसके बाद आएगा टाटा सर्विस.
वुमेनच्या 3 आहेत ना, विशेष आसन आहेत, नेहा साने आणि ही आहे ना टाटा सेल्सला रिटेल फायनान्स विनीता साने. त्यांना देऊ दे. टाटा सेल्सला विशेष
Vishesha ma'am, we request you to
Vishesha,
please
please.
hand over the medals.
मिहिर असं ओपन करून दे थोडंसं. हां.
Next team is Tata Service, so we request Datta sir to please hand over the medals to the team. Tata Service, please line up. Tata Service, please, please
Tata
hold,
Service,
hold. Tata
please,
Service,
please
I
hold
guess.
Tata Service.
Tata Service, wait,
Tata
wait,
Service.
wait.
एक सेकंड. Datta san, please join for Tata Service.
एक तर राजा सायना सरांना एकाला तर द्यायला सांग. तोच येणार आहे ना. जिया सरला सांगा.
Next team, back to please hand over the medals to the team.
Thank you, Datta. एक सेकंड, मैं चले जाता हूँ यहाँ से.
इन्शुरन्ससाठी
Next team, insurance. So we request Neha ma'am to please give the medals to the team. DJ, kindly hold. DJ. So next, girls team. Team Tata, kindly join the stage for the medal distribution. We request Vishesha ma'am to please give them their medals. Guys, clap यार, clap करो यार. Next, Team Honda, kindly join the stage, Team Honda. So we request Smita ma'am to please give them their medals.
Thank you, Neha-san. Next, we request
Smita ma'am,
Vinita-san to
please.
please medal. Sorry, उनको Honda से क्या rest मिले. Next is yours.
The last team, Team MG, we request you to join the stage. So we request Vinita ma'am to please give them their medals.
अरे वो वापस से पागल पे लगाया नहीं, पागल पे बोलो उसको पागल।
डीजे वाले बाबू बादल पे पावे बजा दीजिए.
Hello. Yeah. Guys, please pay attention. Now comes the most important part of the entire tournament, entire series. So we move on to the men's semi-final one winners for best batsman. Any guesses? Any guesses? MG? I'll give you a hint. It's from MG Service. It's Ganesh. I request Sainath sir to please hand over the trophy. Yeah. You have to be here for. No. You have to be here for the entire trophy distribution. सारे आपको करना है sir. So next is best bowler. Any guesses? Aniket More? Any more guesses? Chinmay? It's from Skoda Sales. Aniket More. Next one. Next one is man of the match, men's semi-final 1. I hope ये सबको पता होगा. Men's semi-final 1. अक्षय मोरे तो नहीं है. Any more guesses? It's MG Service, Ganesh. Next, hello. So we move on to men's semi-final 2 for best batsman. अरे मेन सेमीफाइनल 2 में गणेश कैसे आ सकता है वापस? इट्स फ्रॉम टाटा सेल्स, नचिकेत. Next is best bowler. Chinmay. Any more? Nahi. It is Tushar from Tata Sales. Next is man of the match, men's semi-final 2. Man of the match. I think it's a clean sweep from Tata Sales. It's Nachiket. DJ गाना. DJ गाना. DJ. So we move on to women's trophy now. The first award goes to best batswomen. There are 3 teams. Any guesses? It's Sujata San. Smita San, I request you to please, Smita San. Next is best bowler from women's team. Any guesses? Best bowler? I hear Vedehi. It is Vedehi. Next is Women of the Series. Any? No? It's Sujata San.
सर आप दे दो woman of
Next. Next, we move on to the men's finals for best batsman. कौन सी टीम थी फाइनल्स में? Any guesses? No? It's Ganesh. Sainath san. Sainath sir, please.
हेलो हेलो एक काफी बॉलर लोगों को नचाया ना फील्ड में, तो फील्ड या स्टेज में नाचना मांगता है ना एक बार, है कि नहीं? डीजे अबे मैं नाचता हूं ना यार।
Come on, Ganesh, Ganesh, come on! So next is best bowler. I'll give a hint here. It is from MG Service. Chinmay. Sainath sir, please. So man of the match, men's semi-final. MG Service. Sorry, man of the match, men's finals. Man of the match, men's finals goes to... It goes to Ganesh. The last award, man of the series. It's a clean sweep from Ganesh again.
वुमेन्स ना वुमेन्स वुमेन्स रनर अपची ट्रॉफी मॅडम वुमेन्स रनर अपची पण ट्रॉफी आहे ना कोण जिंकलं रनर अप
होंडा
So now you have to call Honda runner up. So now we'll start with the final trophy distribution.
रनर अप इज होंडा गर्ल्स
आता कोणाला बोलायचं?
Runner up ला बोलू.
रनर अप.
पहिले रनर अप वुमेन्स टीम
So next I call on to the women's runner up team. आ जाओ. आपको पता है? It's Honda sales. The entire team please. Sainath sir. दी पूर्ण टीमला द्यायचं ना? सर. हां सरांना द्यायची. सर. Next, I call upon the winning team for women's. It is MG Girls. Please come on the stage. Guys, please clap. Please clap for the winning team. The energy.
Guys, final trophy है यार तालियां बजाओ.
Guy, clap. Woo! Next I call upon guys. एक चीज देखी एनर्जी थोड़ी कम लग रही है. We have the winners here. Now I call upon the runner up of men's team. It is Tata Sales. Please come on the stage. Clap, guys, clap.